Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the number foil balloon and a pump or helium tank. Start now. Insert the inflation straw or nozzle gently into the valve and hold the valve open with one finger so the gas flows smoothly. Inflate slowly, pause periodically to feel the tension in the foil because overinflation causes seams to split. Once done, remove the nozzle and pinch the valve closed while preparing to seal. This prevents leaks and sets you up for neat finishing. You should now focus on pressure control and proper sealing. Inflate to a firm shape, but leave a little give. Foil expands in warm environments, so avoid maxing out. Make sure the valve is fully seated when you stop. Use the built-in self-seal or apply a heat sealer for a permanent close. Once sealed, tie a ribbon at the valve and secure with a small bit of clear tape for extra hold, because movement during transport is the most common cause of leaks. You're nearly done. Finish by anchoring and positioning the balloon for display. Tie the ribbon to an appropriate weight and arrange at desired height. If using air, mount on a frame or wall hook. For transport, keep balloons upright and away from sun or cold, because temperature changes change internal pressure. If something goes wrong and you notice slow deflation, check the valve seam first. Patch small holes with clear tape, or reinflate slightly and reseal to restore shape and float.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.